Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna talk about installing OpenCore Legacy Patcher on older MacBooks. OpenCore is a bootloader that allows newer MacBook like macOS versions to run on older MacBooks or non-Apple products for like Hackintosh and stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head to Google Chrome, we're gonna install OpenCore Legacy Patcher on here and show you how it works. So now we're gonna install it. Just click continue, install it. We're gonna put in our password and it's just gonna write the application in the applications, and there we go. And now we're gonna go to Launchpad and open up OpenCore and show you what the options are. So the options we have on here is build and install OpenCore. You do this later. Post install root patch, but you also do that later. What we're gonna do right now is create macOS installer. We're gonna head to macOS installer and it's gonna find the macOS versions that are supported by OpenCore. So if we click on older or beta versions, we see that there is a lot of versions that we can download. So my MacBook supports these versions, but it doesn't support 13 and up, so we're gonna get macOS 13. I'm not gonna download it, but you just click it and then press download. And then after you're done, you're just gonna put in your USB. So I'll show you, for example, my USB has Mojave on it. So we're gonna go to create macOS installer, use existing macOS installer, and it will like tell you what version you have after you download it. And then after it's done putting the installer on your USB, you're gonna click here now and you're gonna install the EFI onto your disk. So it'll say like disk 3 and like what USB you have and stuff. And when you restart your computer, make sure to hold the Alt button for the boot selector and then select the EFI with the OpenCore logo. And then it'll go along with the installation just as normal as you would with any other macOS version. And that's about it for this video. This video is just a short one because this is very late, but I hope you guys like it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.